Got a little pouch thing going on from Amazon. Open it up. Inside we can see I've got my little screwdriver. And inside my little screwdriver, I've got my little screwdriver bits. Oh, there we go. So very handy. Next we have a cigarette lighter. Never know when you're going to need one. I have my power bank. It's one of those magnetic ones, sticks to my phone. I've got my minty flavoured sunscreen for my lips because I am very fragile and I need to look after them. And it tastes nice, so there you go. Good stuff. I have my torch. I have my shiny torch. I have that torch and that. And then it does that. Brilliant. All rechargeable. Got a recharging port there. It goes in nicely in there. I have my Swiss Army knife, which has got lots of stuff on it. Let's open it up, have a look. Yeah, Swiss Army knife. So we have a needle for needling things. We have a hook for breaking my fingernails. It's for carrying parcels. Apparently. I've got an aux screw for screwing aux. There you go. I have my big blade, which is legal in the UK. And I have my little blade. And I have flat bladed screwdriver, bottle opener, wire cutters, wire strippers. On the other end I have can opener, so you get it and do that. I have my little screwdriver. What else is on there? I have my scissors. I also have my toothpick for picking my teeth. I have a nose pick. No, I'm kidding. I have a pair of tweezers. Okay, so Swiss Army knife. Good bit of kit. I have a pencil. And why do I have a pencil? I have a pencil because I have my Notepad. Writing in note paper, all good stuff. Waterproof note paper, it's all you need. So there you go, that is my everyday carry. That is all the stuff that I need. All the stuff I think I need to get me out of a tricky situation. Let me know what you think in the comments.